Welcome to Reviews Heaven, your go-to channel for the best product reviews. Today, we're diving into the world of slow cookers, those magical kitchen gadgets that make cooking easy, flavorful, and stress-free. Whether you're meal prepping, hosting a dinner party, or just want a warm, home-cooked meal waiting for you, these slow cookers have got you covered. We've handpicked the top 5 best slow cookers based on performance, features, and convenience. From stylish designs to advanced functions, there's something here for everyone. Ready to find your perfect slow cooker? Stick around, and don't forget to check out the buying links in the description box below. Let's get cooking, slowly but surely. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Crock-Pot 7-Quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker. The Crock-Pot 7-Quart Oval Manual Slow Cooker is like a personal chef who never complains, never takes a break, and always gets it right. With a whopping 7-quart capacity, it can handle a 7-pound roast or feed 9 hungry people. Yes, even Uncle Bob who always wants seconds. Just toss in your ingredients, set the timer, and go about your day. Dinner will be ready when you are. No sweat. Its high, low, and warm settings make it flexible enough for any recipe. Whether you're slow cooking a tender roast or keeping your famous chili warm for the big game, this crock-pot delivers. And let's not ignore the stainless steel exterior. It's so stylish, you might just want to leave it on the counter to impress your guests. Cleanup? A total breeze. The lid and stoneware insert are dishwasher safe, so no need to play the who's doing the dishes game. Bonus. The stoneware is oven and microwave friendly, so it's a multitasker just like you. Why settle for takeout when this crock-pot can help you whip up a meal that tastes like you spent all day in the kitchen? It's not just a slow cooker. It's your new best friend in the kitchen. Number 2. Hamilton Beach Extra Large 10-Quart Slow Cooker. The Hamilton Beach 10-Quart Slow Cooker is like the MVP of family dinners and potlucks. With a capacity so big it could double as a hot tub for Barbie, it easily fits a 10-pound turkey or a 12-pound roast. Just toss in your ingredients, turn the dial, and voila. By the time you're back, it's like magic, a delicious meal waiting for you. This slow cooker isn't just big, it's smart too. The lid clips tightly to the handles, so you won't have to worry about turning your car into a stew-covered disaster zone on the way to a party. And with 3 heat settings, low, high, and warm, it's as flexible as a gymnast, keeping your food perfectly cooked and ready to serve. Carrying it? No problem. The full grip handles make it easy to transport, even when it's loaded with your signature chili. And cleanup? Let's just say the dishwasher-safe crock and lid are here to save your evening. If you've got a crowd to feed and no time to fuss, this slow cooker is your secret weapon. Big, reliable, and spill-proof. It's like a kitchen superhero in disguise. Number 3. Ninja 8.5-Quart 8-in-1 Slow Cooker. The Ninja MC 1001 Footy Possible Cooker Pro isn't just a cooker. It's the Swiss Army knife of your kitchen. With 8.5 quarts of space and 8-in-1 functionality, it's here to replace 14 appliances. Yes, 14. Say goodbye to clutter and hello to making chili for 20 or enough pulled pork to feed a small army or your family on game day. Its triple fusion heat technology means it cooks 30% faster than your oven. Translation? Dinner's ready before your kids can say, "What's for dinner?" You can even sear proteins and sauté veggies directly in the pot, no stovetop required. And when you're feeling fancy, pop it in the oven at 500 degrees Fahrenheit for that perfect crispy finish. Cleanup? A total breeze. The non-stick pot laughs in the face of sticky messes, and the glass lid and utensil are dishwasher safe. Oh, and the utensil? It's a ladle, a pasta fork, and a lid buddy all in one. Fancy and functional. With its sleek sea salt gray look and chef-curated recipes, the Ninja Footy Possible Cooker Pro isn't just a gadget. It's your new best friend in the kitchen. Get ready to cook smarter, not harder. Number 4. BLACK+DECKER 7-Quart Slow Cooker. The BLACK+DECKER 7-Quart Chalkboard Slow Cooker isn't just a kitchen tool. It's an art project waiting to happen. Its chalkboard exterior lets you label dishes, write recipes, or unleash your inner Picasso. Got kids? Hand them the chalk and let them doodle while dinner simmers. Just don't be surprised if your pot roast comes with a side of stick figures. This slow cooker's 7-quart capacity is ideal for big meals like soups, chilies, or a roast big enough to feed the family and have leftovers. With 3 heat settings, low, high, and warm. It's got your back whether you're slow cooking all day or whipping something up in a few hours. The built-in lid holder is a game changer for clean counters, and the dishwasher-safe stoneware pot makes cleanup ridiculously easy. No more scrubbing, just toss it in and relax. With its fun chalkboard design and reliable performance, this slow cooker turns meal prep into a creative and tasty experience. It's the only appliance that cooks dinner and gives you an excuse to draw. Number 5. GreenLife 6-quart slow cooker. The GreenLife 6 Cutie slow cooker is like the kitchen buddy you never knew you needed. Its 6-quart capacity can handle everything from hearty stews to a mountain of chili for the family. Plus, the lightweight, removable pot lets you sear on the stovetop or finish in the oven. Talk about multitasking. It's like this slow cooker has a side hustle. The ceramic nonstick coating isn't just easy to clean. It's toxin-free, so you can feel good about every meal you make. No PFAS, PFOA, lead, or cadmium here. Just pure, guilt-free deliciousness. The control panel is simple yet genius, with a delay timer, 3 cooking modes, low, medium, high, and a keep warm function. Whether you're planning ahead or winging it, this cooker's got your back. And that glass lid? It's perfect for sneak peeks without releasing the magic, aka heat. With its cheerful turquoise finish, this slow cooker isn't just a kitchen tool, it's a countertop statement piece. Healthy cooking has never looked or tasted so good. Thanks for tuning in to Reviews Heaven. We hope this review of the top 5 best slow cookers helped you find your perfect match. Don't forget, all the product links are in the description box below. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more reviews. Happy cooking!